Hi, I'm Claudine from Vida Wellness. In this video, I'm going to take you behind the scenes of the Vida Wellness Studio. That's our online exercise studio for people who want to move more easily, feel stronger, have better balance, and feel more confident every day. So, we get lots of questions about the studio. People want to understand how it works, what's inside. And it's a bit like talking about a box and not really seeing what's inside the box. So we are going to take you on a tour. I'm going to show you how you log into the studio, what you see when you first log into the studio, your dashboard, your homepage, all the different sections of the studio, how you find the exercise videos, how you find the programs, how you get into the forum and chat with other members and ask us for help. So let's get started. Let's go behind the scenes of the Vida Wellness Studio. So we're going to start with logging in. So we're going to imagine you're a studio member and you're coming to log in. So we go to the member login button. So this is the login page. You enter your username and your password, and then you click to log in. Anytime if you forget your password, that's fine. You just click on the forgot password button and you will be automatically immediately sent a link to generate a new password. So I'm going to go ahead and click on login. And when you log into the studio, every time you go to the studio, the first page you come to is your dashboard. This is your home page inside the studio. I'm going to show you what you'll find on the dashboard. So along the top, there's this black menu bar, and this is a quick way to jump to any of the sections inside the studio. And I'm going to take you inside each of those sections in a minute. Here at the top of your dashboard is your studio TV. So every week, every Wednesday, we update the studio. I record a studio TV for you and we put new content and refresh and sometimes do new features and things like that. So this studio TV is my way of connecting with you every week, talking with you about what's going on in the studio and talking about some of the discussions we've been having in the forum and about what's coming up soon as well. To the right of the Studio TV, we have a couple of quick links. And then I'm going to scroll down. Underneath the Studio TV, we have a link to our most recent program. This is something new that we've introduced in the last few months, and it's been really successful. I'm going to tell you more about the programs in a second. We have some more quick link buttons to the different sections. And then here we have what's new in the video library. So these are the most recent new releases in the video library. Next on the dashboard, we have your featured video of the week. Every week we feature a different video from the archive. It might be something that is seasonally relevant. It might be something that we want to bring back to your attention. There's so much content in the studio, and we know that members have asked us to remind them of previous content and to keep bringing stuff to their attention so that they don't forget everything that's in there. Scrolling down, here we have what's new in the knowledge zone. These are the most recent new videos that we've posted in the knowledge zone. And then to the side of that, we have a box with some of the most recent discussions in the members forum. And we can click here to join the conversation and go into the members forum. Here we have a link to the private consultation area and then more quick links to the different sections of the studio. I'm going to scroll back up to the top of the dashboard and we're going to jump into the video library. So I'm going to click here on video library. The video library is where you go when you want to exercise, when you want to get moving. This is where all the exercise videos are housed. Now, all our exercise videos are clear. They're easy to follow. We don't need to wear Lycra, have lots of complicated equipment. We're not doing handstands or leaping around. And we always encourage you to work at your own pace. We don't want you to overdo it. And we spend a lot of time helping you to understand what it should feel like when you're doing the different exercises so that you're in control, and that's so that you feel confident when you challenge yourself, and that you also feel confident when you need to ease off a little bit. So inside the video library, we have different categories. This makes it easier to find the videos that are right for you. So you see along the top of the page here, the categories are better balance, brain boosts, feel stronger, fit for life, reduce stress, quick win. These are the super short videos. Move more easily, improve my posture, and fitness assessments. So I'm going to jump into the better balance section and show you some of the videos in there. So when you click into the category, we see all the videos in the better balance section, and we can scroll down and scroll back up. So those are the videos in the better balance section. I'm going to click on one of those videos now and show you what it looks like when you're on the video page. When you click through to a video, we've got the video title, which always tells you the time. So this makes it easy for you to know that you're starting a video that you've got time to finish that day. And then here there's a little bit of information under the video. And here we click here to play the video. What we can also do here, we have a bookmarks button and a favorites button. So you can save videos, bookmarks videos you want to come back to in the future. Favorites are ones that you know that really work for you and you want to be able to get to them quickly. If you would like to get a better sense of whether our videos are at the right level for you, on the main information page for the studio, we have taster videos. So you can try those out. They're short videos just to give you a feel of some of the exercises we do in the studio, the kind of level we're at, the way that we deliver the videos, the way that we're teaching the exercises. So that can give you more confidence that the videos in the studio are going to be at the right level for you. So moving on from the video library, I'm going to hop into the programs section. So as you can see, we have a lot of videos here in the library. We want you to have a lot of choice and a lot of options. But we also know that sometimes you don't want to spend time choosing or deciding, and you just want to have a plan to follow. And that's where the programs section comes in. We've designed our programs to make it super easy for you to stick to a plan. So it helps you to choose something that you want to focus on, and then to know what to do every time you come into the studio. And our members are loving these programs because they just click in, we hold their hands, we just walk you through it step by step. Come to the studio, this is what you're doing today. And it takes any thinking, any decision making out of it. And you know that you're doing videos that have been selected in a sequence, in a progression that is going to help you. So I'm going to click through to the Feel Stronger program and show you what one of our programs looks like. So this is what it looks like when we click through. We've gone to the Feel Stronger program. The focus in this program is on muscle strengthening exercises, and we also focus on muscle power. So here we have a quick video to let you know a little bit more about the program so you can make sure if it's right for you before you start. Then I'm going to scroll down and show you what the program actually looks like once you do start. So this is the week one, the first day of the program, week one, Monday. We have an intro video. And then there's a workout. So that's the first workout in the program. For every program, we have a link to the forum where we answer questions and chat about the program. Now, once we've done this day in the program, we click on the tick. So that's to tell the program that we've completed that day. And then the page resets. So next time you come into the studio and into this program, and you can save the program in your favorites as well. You can even bookmark the link to the program just in your browser to go straight to it. Next time you come back, you move into the next day of the program and the next video that we're asking you to watch or follow. So it's super easy and really helps you to just follow through on a plan and keep going. And we will be releasing many, many more new programs in the coming year. So this is a really big focus for us, is helping you to work out what you want to focus on, what's the best thing for you, and then making that super, super easy and taking you through it step by step. Next, I'm going to take you inside the knowledge zone. The knowledge zone looks a little like the video library. We have the different categories. The knowledge zone is, so the video library is when you want to get moving, when you want to do exercises. The knowledge zone is where you want advice, support, motivation, information, inspiration even, hopefully. So we have the different categories here in the knowledge zone. We have a book club. We have building balance, all about supporting you to maintain your balance, stay steady, avoid trips and falls. We have healthy joints. We're talking about hips, knees, shoulders, ankles, talking about arthritis, exercising with arthritis, and managing arthritis with exercise. Staying active, set yourself up for success. I think that might be my favorite section of the studio. We have power up your brain. It's all about brain health and brain fitness. We have the member Q&A. You submit your questions and we answer them with a video. So I record a video to answer your question, and it really enables me to give a more detailed answer, and in a way that then these questions are stored as a library and other members can benefit from them too. Strong bones, we talk about maintaining bone density, exercising with osteoporosis. Technique corner, we have lots of technique tips to help you make sure you're doing all the key exercises, movements, and activities as safely and effectively as possible. And then your exercise zone, which is all about just setting up at home to exercise, having the right things that you need, making it quick and easy. So when you decide you want to exercise, you can get on with it straight away. Now we're going to go to the members forum. So the members forum is the community part of the studio. And this is a really, really important thing for us. We don't want the studio just to be about throwing videos at you, throwing content at you. We want it to be a place where we can all provide and receive support, encouragement, and advice. So in the members forum, I'm just going to click through so we can see the page for the forum. The forum provides you a space to ask me questions. So that could be about the exercises, about if you need to make any adaptations, if you're struggling with anything, if you have any challenges. But it's more than that. It's a space to share experiences and to provide support and encouragement with other people who are in the same boat as you, people who are working towards the same goals, people who have some of the same challenges. And it's much more than just you ask me questions and I reply with my professional response. It is absolutely a community, and our members are supporting each other, engaging with each other, welcoming each other, and it's a very supportive, friendly, safe space to chat and to feel a part of a group of people who are all working towards the same thing. The forum is secure. It's only for members of the studio, and everything that you write in here is kept within the studio. So we don't share screenshots with personal information from the forum, and we're very we moderate the forum carefully, and we make sure that everything that's going on in here is supportive and appropriate. Within the forum, we also have the private consultation area. Inside the private consultation area, you can start a confidential discussion with me. So this is an area no other members will see what you post in here. And so this is where if you've got a medical condition you want to mention, something you're struggling with that you would rather sort of just ask quietly on the side, this is where you do it. We want to make it as easy as possible for you to use the studio. So we have added a tech support section. This is where you go when you have any questions about how to do something inside the studio. So I'm going to scroll down and show you some of the questions that we have in tech support. We are adding new questions and answers all the time. And when you click through on the tech support, there are screen recordings, there are screenshots, really detailed information to help you do whatever it is that you need to do inside the studio. But of course, you can always get in touch with us as well if you have questions. Going back to the dashboard now, here at the top of the page and to the right of the Studio TV, you'll see the My Account link. This takes you to a few pages where you can manage your subscription, update your personal details, see when your next payment is coming out. And this is also where you cancel. And we make it very easy to cancel, just a couple of clicks. No need to email us, no need to phone us, and your cancellation is processed immediately and automatically. I hope you've enjoyed this tour. I hope it's been helpful for you to go behind the scenes of the studio, to see how the videos, resources, content, advice, and support can help you to get stronger, move more easily, to have healthier joints, to improve your balance and posture, and feel more confident and steadier on your feet every day. As a studio member, we are always here to guide and support you. You're absolutely not left to your own devices. We're here to make sure that you can make the most of the studio and that we've got all the content we need to support you. When we're filming new videos, we always start with videos that have been requested by our members. And everything we do is about you, is about helping you to achieve your goals, helping you to feel stronger, helping you to have more energy every day, to do all the things that you want and need to do. If you have any questions at all, please get in touch. I hope to see you inside the studio really, really soon. Take care.